ITC's quarter 3, we're largely penciling in a decent quarter. Not too much excitement, but not too bad either on the flip side. If you take a look at the numbers, what we're penciling in on a standalone year-on-year basis is that revenue is estimated to go up by 7.2%. EBITDA is expected to go up by almost 7.5% or slightly more than that. Net profit, let's talk about this. 5,200 crores is where we're expecting to see this amount compared to 5,600 crores this time last year. So it's a cut of about 8%, and this is largely expected due to the effect of other income on PAT in the base quarter. That elevated the PAT last year, which is why this time we could see a little bit of a base effect on the negative side playing out. Margins are expected to be absolutely flat around that 34.2% mark. Overall, ITC's like-for-like growth is seen at roughly 8.5%. Let's talk about segments. Cigarette volume growth is seen up 6%, absolutely flat on a year-on-year basis. Sales are seen up 6.5%. Cigarette EBIT is expected to grow at a roughly 5% trajectory, and EBIT margin are expected to decline due to high cost of the leaf tobacco, which is the input good for cigarettes. On the FMCG front, revenue is seen up 9%. EBIT margins are seen at 7.5%. Agri revenue is expected to jump 15% with EBIT margin at 5%. And for paperboards, the revenue is expected to be around 7% with EBIT margin at 9.25%. Lastly, what's going to be important to track when the numbers do come out is going to be the impact of the excise duty announcement that we've seen very recently coming in from the government. So that, any commentary on that note would be good to see. Synergies from the acquisition of the Aditya Birla Real Estate's paper business that was announced very recently. So that impact on ITC's financials is going to be key to watch. Along with that, cigarette volumes, raw material trends, agri-business outlook are going to be key factors to watch out for. Overall, penciling in a decent quarter for ITC for quarter 3.
Thank you so much for that, Snehi. Nikhil.